Greetings. I've already discussed elaborately about placenta previa, but there's something I need to bring to your notice. If you have placenta previa, you cannot have sex during pregnancy. As a pregnant woman, listen to me. And if you are a husband whose wife is pregnant and has placenta previa, take note of this. When a woman has placenta previa, she cannot have sex during that pregnancy. The major problem with placenta previa is that it bleeds a lot. It bleeds a lot. And there are four different types: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. The type 3 and type 4 are very bad because the placenta is almost situated, is just at the mouth of the womb. Some will protrude through the mouth of the womb and enter into the vagina. So during that sexual intercourse, your manhood can touch the placenta, and your wife, your husband's manhood can touch the placenta, and you will start bleeding. You will start bleeding. The bleeding is not funny. Eh? In a span of 30 minutes, you can lose 2 liters of blood from the placenta is highly vascularized. That it contains a lot of blood because it's what feeds your baby, gives your baby food and oxygen, and also help remove waste from your baby. So it's highly vascularized. It contains a lot of blood. So when you are pregnant and you've done a scan and the scan has confirmed that you have placenta previa, you cannot indulge yourself in any sexual intercourse. And also, that's not the time when you have placenta previa, you now start putting hand inside your vagina and you want to wash yourself, you want to dodge, they call it douching. If your finger touch that placenta, it will start bleeding. Placenta is not meant to be touched with the finger. Do you understand? Even doctors run away from that. When I mean run away from, they don't want to do vaginal examination for you when you have placenta previa. So you cannot be having sex when you have placenta previa. It can breathe. You may say, doctor, what about if it's the type 1 or the type 2? I understand, but how do you know it's type 1 or type 2? You don't know. So if you have been diagnosed with placenta previa during your pregnancy, don't have sex at all. Please, it's for your own good, for the safety of yourself as a woman and the baby. It may even be your first pregnancy. It may be your only pregnancy. So be careful. If you have placenta previa, don't have sex. Wait for 9 months. When you deliver, you can continue with your sexual escapade. But when you have placenta previa, no, because apart from that bleeding, you can have miscarriage. You can start having premature labor or contraction of the womb, and you can have miscarriage. And the bleeding is the scariest part of it. I've seen many cases. Please, you can discuss this with your doctor. Hmm? Discuss with your doctor. Ask them about whether you can involve yourself in any sexual activity when you have placenta previa, and hear what they will tell you. So please, it's a universal precaution. When you have placenta previa, no sexual intercourse. Please, I want to also beg you for something. Um, I am on YouTube and I have about 400 subscribers now. Please, I want to monetize that page, and the only way I can do that is if I get to 1,000 subscribers. Use the link in my bio to subscribe to my YouTube page. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe so that I can get to 1,000, so that I can monetize it and I can churn out better quality videos for you. Thank you. But before I go, when you have placenta previa, don't involve yourself in any sexual intercourse. Bye bye.